Welcome. Thank you so much for taking time to talk with me today. So, ma'am, you've been a teacher for many years now. What's your perspective on the role of the PTA student school community?
Well, I've been teaching for almost 4 years, and the role of PTA in our school is very important since they are the stakeholders of our school. So, with their support, we can be able to progress our campus as well as our students.
Can you give me some examples of how PTA has benefited your classroom or the school as a whole?
So, as a teacher, being in advisor is the uh, can you repeat the question now?
Can you give me some specific examples of how the PTA has benefited your classroom or the school as a whole?
So the PTA has helped us in some projects like donating healthy funds to beautification of the classrooms and also the comfort rooms.
It sounds like the PTA is very active group. What are some of the challenges you've seen them face?
The biggest challenge is an advisor is that mostly parents here at Rural National High School are all farmers. Mostly farmers. So the biggest the biggest challenge is that getting the parents involved in the activities in our school.
How can parents get involved?
Um, Parents can get involved in our school by giving meetings or any activity that the school will have, for example, like programs or we say involve the parents or even giving some support to the students. That's as an example for letting the parents involved in our school activities.
What advice would you give to parents who are considering getting involved in the PTA?
So my advice to the parents of the international national is that dapat we need to dapat tayo sila participation in all activities sa ilang student, sa ilang mga children. It's because it can be able to help them improve as a student and through their support, the school will progress. Maybe not just big support, but at least support to the students. So it will boost confidence to the children.
Thank you so much for your insights, Ma. It's clear that the PTA is very important in the school, in your school to have a succeed. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.